brakes.
Yeah.
Dude, this truck's perfect.
I know. This truck's smoking. That's a smoking deal. That thing's clean.
You think South Jersey, we're at the bottom of South Jersey. Not the bottom, but pretty close to it. They don't get as much snow. It's still an 05, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
nice.
It's 20, it's an 06. It's 18, 19 years old.
Steve, let's make a bet. Is it gonna start?
What do you say?
Let's bet on launch tomorrow.
Yeah, what do you say, yes or no?
I say no.
You don't think it's gonna start?
No.
I think it's gonna start right now.
All right, 85,000 miles, right, or so?
This is probably one of the nicest trucks we've had in a while.
And clean.
Yeah, from like a rust standpoint and a cleanliness standpoint. Great tires on it. It's like original brake lines probably.
Yeah, it looks good.
There's a lot of new parts underneath. There's no frame rust at all. The box is in really good shape. This is the only little rip in here. They might have replaced the seat. I doubt it. But let's see what happens.
What's that about?
Try and start it. See what it beats.
All right, go. It's trying to run. It runs.
Huh?
It runs, but it's beeping.
Why is the horn coming on?
It runs for, I couldn't even see how many miles were on it.
Yeah, because it dies as soon as I unplug this.
Yeah.
All right, it runs. Jim owes me lunch. We're going to get seafood.
Yeah.
From the most expensive lobster place.
All right, let's try this again in the snow. Snow days off, baby.
It's like it's wired for a Myers plow, but I hate Myers plows.
Yeah, these stupid plows suck. No horn now. Let's see how many miles are on this thing. 85,000.
256.
256.
Well, no, it ran last night.
Oh, now it runs.
No exhaust leaks, too.
It runs good. Go ahead.
Jim hopefully thinks I'm gonna cheap out and let him go get his greasy bag of McDonald's and spend $6 on a sandwich. Nah.
That's a good lunch right there, McDonald's, right?
Garbage.
Right, dogs? McDonald's. They like McDonald's. They eat the French fries. It pays off to have parts trucks in sometimes, because for a job like this, on our ambulance cabin chassis here, just the steering column's completely shot. The key's all messed up. We tried to put a new one in, but the inside was like completely destroyed. The gear was all stripped out, so you can't even turn the key. So we were literally turning the key with this thing. That's how you turn it on. There's really no way to fix it because the inside of it was broken, so it's just easier to change the whole thing and we'll be good there. We got a nice new windshield in here. Look at that. That looks great. That looks really good. This truck looks pretty good, I'll say that. As a cabin chassis, throw a dump body on it or something. You got a 4-wheel drive, rust free. The truck's in immaculate shape. The cab and everything, the frame, it's really good shape. We got the old plexiglass, new plexiglass in the old spot cut out for the where you'd walk into the body. So this truck's just about done. Let's get this steering column in and fire this thing up. Does it work? It does work. Did this thing turn out sweet or what? Dang, that thing looks way better. Remember what it looked like at first with the snowplow and the salter on it? And now it just looks like a truck that's ready to go to work. It just looks really good. Still got some tools in here to go through, but this is just all dirt. The taillights work, the floor in here, tailgate works good. And then just these other cabinets here, they look good. Got the filler neck hooked up there. We're not using the front one. And then just this big box that goes into the side. And then the DEF fluid fill up is on that side. You can see the black part where my finger is. We got just the nozzle right there to make it easy. No more center console, any of that crap in here. Could put a seat back here, but it's just blank right now. Maybe somebody wants to put another console or something in there. The inside cleaned up pretty good. It looks good in here. The cab still kind of is what it is. It's not too bad. I mean, the cab corner is bubbling a little bit. The rocker was replaced at some point and they like screwed in a new one. It was a plow truck, obviously, so it's got some rust under there. And then these front ends, man, they just look good. Real sharp. Nothing like a good old snow day. Get a couple things done, stay warm in the garage, and let the weekend begin.